Hello y'all. So for quite some time we have been having problems with shoes all over the place, and I decided to create a white cabinet with just like that, with doors, hinges and everything, with soft closed doors and everything. Inside the white cabinet it will be a drawers, and those drawers will open and close just like a kitchen drawer, with all the shoes inside. Now all the kids shoes will be in like one drawer, and the other adult shoes will be in another drawer, and so on. It should have about 10 to 12 drawers, 10 or 5 on each side, and the other is in the middle. In the middle right here, I'm gonna create a slot where all the tall boots sit. It'll be 2 slots, in other words shelves, 2 shelves in the middle, and it will act as the boots area where we're gonna put the boots. Of course it'll have a door and everything, so you can't see nothing until you open the doors just like that, and you'll see what's inside. So stay tuned, and I'm doing this video to help a lot of people, give them an idea on how to clutter or declutter their shoes problem in the garage. We'll keep you updated, and check the next video later on after I do it. Now I'm gonna create another video after I have it almost done, to show you guys an idea of how it'll be, and we'll go from there. Okay, you guys will enjoy it, and it'll give you an idea of how to do this to help you declutter all your shoes problem. All right, stay tuned, guys. So here is part 2. I have just finished all the walls and bottom piece, and I just put the first drawer right now, and so far so good. I just want to show you guys, just like that, comes out for, you know, pick your shoe. Comes out 24 inches, and you have enough space to put maybe, I want to say about 8 pieces of, or 8 pairs of shoes, maybe 6 pairs, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, but that's what I did. And so this first drawer, and those are 24 slides, and that's how I thought. I did buy the soft close slides, but I didn't. I made a mistake and I bought the regular ones, but not too bad. I mean, you know, it's not too bad at all. And so I'm gonna continue the one. I think I'm gonna put 5 drawers here, about 8 inches apart or away from each other. Not sure yet. I'm gonna do my math exactly. And over here, like I told you guys, over here I will have you can put the boots in the middle, and that's it really, you know. Now I will show you guys the after I'm done with everything. I will show you everything that how far the drawers are gonna go, and I'm gonna show you once I have all the drawers in with the shelf in the middle for the boots. And then before I put the doors, I will show you in the meantime, while I was trying to cut that piece, I did cut my finger really bad with the table saw, man. I didn't pay attention. I put my thumb right in front of it. So you do see that I put a support right there. I put a support right there to help with the pulling of the top shelf. There's another support right there, you know, and it's looking so far so good, man. You know, I hope you guys are ask me any questions you want. You know, I'll be glad to help you, and just helping the YouTube community out there. You know, so I'll let you guys go now, and we'll continue with video part 3 later, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. All right, YouTube people. So here it is. Final. All the drawers are done, and 5 on the left and 6 on the right because of the kids' shoes. You know, they don't need the height that our shoes do. Like I said, the middle is for the boots, and I will show you guys another video when I put the doors. But for Labor Day weekend, I'm done, man. I'm off tomorrow. Monday, I'm gonna enjoy with the family, and that's about it, guys. So let me know if you guys need any help figuring out the measurements and what I used, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks.